On to the opening message from the Japanese government. Please welcome the Second Secretary of the Japan Information and Culture Center from the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines, Mr. Tomoyuki Honda, for his message.
Miss Clorinda Reyes, Dr. Joel Joseph Marciano, Dr. Lawrence Martinam, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It's my honor to be able to participate in the first Philippines-Japan workshop on wireless, radio and antenna technologies today. I would also like to thank the people who have been working hard to make this workshop a success, and those who have dedicated themselves to promoting information and communication technologies in the Philippines. Thus far, the relationship between Japan and the Philippines is in its golden age. The cooperation between our countries, like transportations, maritime cooperations, people-to-people exchanges, are diversifying and has recently become more evident even in the field of information and communication technologies, ICT. So today we are witness to this development. For one, Japan's National Institute of Information and Communications Technology, NICT, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, PAGASA, Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, People's and Advanced Science and Technology Institute, ASTI, signed a Memorandum of Understanding on Disaster Mitigation last December 2018. Based on the MOU, Japan mirrors its Himawari 8 real-time website to the Philippines, so which shows satellite imagery for real-time weather forecasting, tropical cyclone analysis, and for research purposes. Right now, Typhoon Tisoi, in English, Kamuri, is affecting the Philippines, including this workshop. If you check the website, you could see the shape and size of the typhoon and might be able to predict its course. As another example, the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications in Japan is now conducting the pilot project about intelligent transportation system, shortly ITS technology, using the frequency range of 688 to 698 MHz and 78 to 81 GHz. The project is co-organized with the National Center for Transportation Studies, UP Diliman. Traffic is a major problem here in the Philippines. Even I sometimes refrain from driving by myself to avoid the heavy traffic. However, with this technology, driving in the Philippines will soon be more safe and smooth. This technology also connects to the autonomous car technology, which is coming to us in the near future. The aforementioned plus digital terrestrial television broadcasting are solid examples of the cooperation of Japan and the Philippines in the field of ICT. But our partnership do not end there. Last November 2019, the NICT and DOST co-organized the ICT Virtual Organization of ASEAN Institute and NICT Forum 2019, aimed improving ICT research and development in the region. I hope that like the said forum, this workshop will also be a platform to share best practices and improve information and communication technologies of both countries. Radio waves are the essential infrastructure to deliver information to people. At the same time, now scarce resources, and with the age of 5G and Internet of Things dawning, the need to utilize radio waves efficiently is becoming a collective issue that needs to be resolved. The Philippines, as the first ASEAN state to deploy 5G broadband service last June 2019, will have to face this issue. Nevertheless, I hope that this workshop will be able to address it. So, lastly, I eagerly look forward to seeing further expansion of knowledge exchanges between Japan and the Philippines. Thank you and mabuhay.